What excites me about manufacturing is the opportunity for improvement and the pursuit of excellence. Seeing the technology change around me just inspires me to think outside of the box and be very innovative with my process improvements.
My name is Jason BIERWILER. I'm the production manager here at SEPAC. Problem solving is kind of what drives us and gets us excited. We like to build the community. We like to make sure that we're providing great opportunities for people in our community. It's very rewarding.
I love working in manufacturing. I especially love working here. We do things such as surface mount, through hole, box fill, conformal coat, you name it, and we can find a way to do it here.
Hi, my name is Jeff NOWAK. I'm the lead technician here at Technical Textiles. I think what excites me the most about manufacturing is the process. The fabrics that we have and that we contribute to the customer's product are ones that help us circumvent our way around any problems that might arise during manufacturing.
Hi, my name is DUMA. I'm a product development engineer here at PVA. Over just a month's time, we were able to design, test, and get manufacture an FDA-approved emergency use respirator. Probably going to be the most rewarding project I'll ever get to be part of.
Hi everyone, my name is Barry Chuang and I work as a CDO at MECHANISMIC, which is a Long Island-based tech startup. At MECHANISMIC, we develop and manufacture Snappy XO, an educational robotics platform which facilitates affordable but effective STEM education for the K-12 ecosystem.
My name is UDOKA. I'm a product engineer at PVILION in Brooklyn, New York. Our main product is solar fabric, which requires a unique intersection of fabrication techniques. So in our shop, we have more typical machine shop stuff, but then also fabric detailing tools like industrial sewing machines and grometers.